Hey guys, welcome back. So this is our part third, and in this part we are going to set up our retrofit. So for this you have to create a new package naming retrofit, and within this retrofit I am going to create a new package naming response. And after that, this is our JSON, and I use newsapi.org. You should use whatever you want, but I choose this link in order to get a response from the networks. So just copy this thing, go over here, right click on it, generate a new, and I use this Kotlin data class file from JSON. You should generate from there. Simply Control V, format it, and this is our JSON, and I'm going to give name news response, and all the three classes will generate. So if you don't have this extension, what you will do, go to file, settings, and here you can check plugins, and you should search from here JSON to, yes, you can see JSON to Kotlin class, and download this thing. We are going to create an interface. So just create an interface naming news interface, and within this interface we create a suspend function in order to make a request, and I'm going to give name get all news, and annotate it with get coming from retrofit 2, and just make these top headlines within our get. Okay, so top headlines, and after that it will make a query. So query, so first query is just pass country on it. So country naming type string, and second query is, so second query is category. Copy this thing and paste on this part category, and similarly make a category, and after that it will perform a query which is our API key. So just copy this thing, paste over here, and this is our API key, which is also a type of string, and after that query our page which is of type int, and after that we have to query our page size. So page size, this is our page size, yes, so this is our page size, and finally return a news response. Okay, so after that we are finished with this interface, and after that we are going to create a constant. So make this object and naming this constant where I can put my API key. So const, not constructor, it's const val API key, and I'll put my API key over here, and after that go in our DI part, which we will create in our previous part, I think. Go in our DI modules, and now it's time to use this thing. So create a singleton which provide our retrofit. So provide retrofit and return a retrofit, yes, this thing. So it will return retrofit dot builder, pass a base URL in it. So in our case our base URL is this thing, news API org slash v2. So paste over here, and extend this HTTP with HTTPS, add converter factory, which is JSON converter factory dot create, and after that we have to build this thing, and by using this retrofit we are going to create our network interface, news interface actually. So provides fun, so it will provide our news interface, which is of type news interface. So it will return, so we have to inject our retrofit and it will return retrofit dot create, and here we have to pass our news interface. So news interface class.java. Retrofit simply put a live to our method which is present in our news interface. So that's all for this video, and in the next video we will continue. Thank you.